Little morning routine. Y'all have a morning routine. David Braswell here. I'm literally just waking up. I want to show y'all my little morning routine. It's very simple. Very simple. Got a little pull-up bar in the bathroom. Knock out however many pull-ups I feel like doing, 10, 20, whatever. And set the tone for the day. Get you a morning routine, 10 push-ups, 10 pull-ups, whatever you feel like doing. Something easy, something quick, and get your day started. Make sure you check out our channel. I'm out of breath. Subscribe if you want to keep up with my routines. Hit the notification icon so you can be updated first when I put out my next video. And I'll see you all next time.